Hello everyone, welcome to this new video tutorial. So in this tutorial, I will guide you through how to update all your plugins on your WordPress website. So as you can see, I'm on the dashboard of my WordPress website. And in order to navigate through the dashboard, all you need to do is type in your website and then WP admin, as you can see, or you just click on this icon. As you can see, that will guide you directly to the dashboard. And after that, scroll down to the plugin section. As you can see, I have 7 plugins without update. Then click on plugins, and now I'm on the plugins page. And all those plugins with the yellow tag, this means that a new update is available to install, as you can see. So how to know the plugins that needs update? You'll find here a tag that means update available, and you can see number 7 on it. 7 plugins that need updates. So click on it, and directly it will redirect you to the page of the plugins that needs updates. And by selecting, you can update one by one, as you can see, if you want. If you want to bulk update all the plugins, just select all, as you can see here, and select this option to update, and then click on apply. And as you can see, it will take some time, but it will update all your plugins one by one, as you can see. And as you can see, just give it some time and all your plugins will be updated successfully. So if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe, leave me a like, a comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell in order to receive new tips.